Welcome back to Anne's Vlogs. Today, we're visiting one of Winnipeg's most treasured destinations, a place where history, nature, recreation, and community have come together for well over a century. Welcome to Kildonan Park. Nestled along the eastern bank of the Red River in the northern part of Winnipeg, Manitoba, Kildonan Park spans approximately 39 hectares, offering a peaceful escape from the busy streets of the city. Although surrounded by neighborhoods, schools, and everyday life, stepping into the park feels like entering an entirely different world. Towering trees create a natural canopy above winding pathways. Carefully maintained gardens burst into color throughout the summer months. Wildlife quietly thrives along the riverbanks, while families gather for picnics, celebrations, and outdoor adventures. But Kildonan Park is much more than a beautiful place to spend an afternoon. It is a living chapter in Winnipeg's history. Long before the city of Winnipeg existed, the Red River served as one of the most important transportation corridors in central North America. Indigenous peoples, including the Anishinaabe, Cree, Dakota, and the Red River Métis, traveled these waterways for generations. The river supported trade, fishing, gathering, and cultural connections that shaped the region long before European settlement. As settlers arrived in the Red River Valley during the 19th century, communities gradually expanded northward. The area surrounding today's Kildonan Park became part of the historic municipality of West Kildonan, a place known for fertile farmland, river lots, and growing neighborhoods. Recognizing the importance of preserving green space for future generations, the city established Kildonan Park in 1909. The park was designed to provide residents with an accessible natural retreat where people could enjoy fresh air, recreation, and the beauty of Manitoba's changing seasons. More than 100 years later, that original vision continues to thrive. As we are exploring, notice how the landscape feels carefully planned while still appearing wonderfully natural. Broad lawns flow into clusters of mature trees. Curving roads encourage visitors to slow down and enjoy the scenery. Every bend in the pathway reveals another quiet corner waiting to be discovered. One of the park's defining features is its relationship with the Red River. Throughout the year, the river transforms alongside the seasons. During spring, melting snow raises water levels and renews the surrounding vegetation. Summer brings calm reflections across the water, where kayakers, birds, and anglers can often be seen enjoying the peaceful environment. Autumn paints the riverbanks with brilliant shades of gold, orange, and crimson. In winter, snow blankets the landscape, creating a completely different experience that showcases Manitoba's remarkable seasonal beauty. Kildonan Park is also home to some of Winnipeg's most recognizable attractions. One of the first you'll encounter is the magnificent formal flower garden. Every summer, thousands of colorful blooms are carefully arranged into elegant displays that attract photographers, gardeners, and visitors from across Canada. The vibrant colors contrast beautifully against the surrounding greenery, creating one of the city's most photographed landscapes. Just beyond the gardens stands the Peguis Pavilion, named in honor of Chief Peguis, an important Sioux leader remembered for supporting early settlers during difficult times in the Red River settlement. Today, the pavilion serves as a gathering place for community events, celebrations, and visitors exploring the park. As we continue, it brings us to one of Winnipeg's cultural landmarks, the Rainbow Stage. Since the 1950s, Rainbow Stage has hosted outdoor musical productions beneath the prairie sky. Thousands of people attend performances every summer, making it Canada's longest-running outdoor theater. For generations of Winnipeggers, evenings spent watching live performances here have become treasured family traditions. Nearby stands one of the park's most magical attractions, the Witch's Hat. Inspired by the classic Brothers Grimm fairy tale Hansel and Gretel, this charming little cottage has delighted children and adults for decades. Every summer, visitors line up to meet the friendly witch and explore one of Winnipeg's most beloved family attractions. Throughout the park, we have discovered open picnic areas, playgrounds, walking trails, and one of Winnipeg's oldest municipal golf courses. Cyclists enjoy the quiet roads, joggers take advantage of the scenic pathways, and photographers patiently wait for birds and wildlife to appear among the trees. The park also provides an important home for local wildlife. Depending on the season, visitors may encounter ducks, geese, squirrels, rabbits, songbirds, woodpeckers, and numerous migratory birds following the Red River Flyway. The mature trees provide valuable habitat while the river supports a healthy ecosystem that continues to flourish within the city. What makes Kildonan Park especially remarkable is how it changes throughout the year. In spring, fresh green leaves emerge as migratory birds return. Summer fills the gardens with color and the park with music, laughter, and outdoor festivals. Autumn transforms the landscape into a spectacular display of golden foliage, making it one of Winnipeg's favorite places for photography. Winter covers everything in sparkling snow, with skating, sledding, and peaceful walks offering a completely different perspective of the same landscape. Every visit tells a different story. Beyond its natural beauty, Kildonan Park reminds us why public parks are so important. They preserve history, protect wildlife, create opportunities for recreation, and provide places where communities can gather across generations. Children who once visited the witch's hut now bring their own families. Couples who first met beneath these trees return years later to celebrate anniversaries. Visitors from around the world discover a quieter side of Winnipeg that many people never expect to find. Today, Kildonan Park continues to welcome everyone, whether you're looking for a peaceful walk, a family outing, beautiful gardens, outdoor theater, or simply a place to slow down and reconnect with nature.